Hi, I've been asked to market the property vacant lot at Cinnamon and Narcissa Lane. It is an unbelievable property. Huge ocean views, over 39,000 square feet of land, approved plans for a 4-bedroom home, and it's located right in this general area right here. It's really outstanding. I'm really excited to be marketing it, and perhaps you know someone that would be interested and wanting to take a look at this view. Thanks very much. You can reach me at 310-346-6467. Don't forget to check into my website. Use the free services and utilities at www.homeispalosverdes.com. HOMEISPALOSVERDES.com. Thanks.